guys, this is BlizzardOfKnives here, and today I'm going to be trying to beat the Freddy objective. Because for some reason, I can't get the Foxy update working yet. And Foxy is creepy. So I found an item already. There's 2 items. Definitely that way. Oh, there he is. I don't know whether he saw me. No, he didn't see me. Failed the objective. Oh, should have gone that way. So I'm gonna go run into him now. There's another one. Okay, so I know where everything is now. Where's Freddy? Okay. Let's try that again. Come on. Oh no. Okay, this way. Something on the desk. Yes. Warning poster. My god, I can't believe he didn't see me there. Yes, 1 item. It's not here, it's not here. Where is it? Come on. Fudge. No. Oh. Okay, let's do this again. How you doing? Come on. Okay, this is much easier. I've started. Yes. It wasn't worth it. Hello. Oh, come on. Oh, I did so good there. Let's go. Sweet. Oh no, get in there. Is that a light there? I swear the timer just runs out so quickly. Yes, another item. Oh no, 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 I'm stuck. Christmas! Okay, come on. I got this. Anything behind me? items that way. This way. I really gotta memorize. That was close. God damn it! It's just so obvious where he is. Let's go again. Wait, I think I saw something. Did I? No. Come on, where are these items at? Hat. He saw me. Boom! I totally scared him. Come on. Oh, 2 items right off the bat. That way. No, not that way. Oh no. You gotta be kidding me, there was an item there. Christmas! More Christmas. Come on. Let's just do this. Look around. Go this way. I'll have to come back for that item. Go around. So I saw that Freddy poster there. Nope. Still hasn't left. Did he see me? Oh. Oh, come on. Oh my god. No. 3, 2, 1. As soon as the objective failed too. Come on. I'm not scared anymore. Nothing there. This hallway usually has an item. Hat. So the items do generate randomly. Here. Why does he always go this way? No, he saw me, he saw me. He saw me. I'm running. Go away, Freddy. Pick it up. Okay, so I outran him. I'm a weeb. I'm just gonna keep on running at this point. Dead end. Come find me, Freddy. Come find me. Stop laughing, you already won, okay? Lights! Just keep on going. Keep on trucking. Till we get it done. Item there. Yes. Good, 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 good. Good start. Good start. Very good start. Way. You should be the dead end room. Oh no. Nope. He saw me. And he saw me. I swear they can see through the walls or something. Okay, this is getting really frustrating now. Okay, I've memorized the starting point. Here's that hallway where that is. Oh, come on! You wanna find me? He found me. And he killed me. Next round I'm gonna see if I can try to do the Bonnie objective, because... Well, if I can, that is. Where am I? This way. That. He's coming this way. Go. Ooh. Supposed to come from that way. I should not have stopped. Oh no. Get out, get out. There's another item there. Notice me. Notice me, senpai. He noticed me. And we're off. Nothing? Yes. Sweet. Oh, he's that way. Oh. He noticed me. Damn it, there was a Freddy poster there too. Oh my god. Last item. Please, 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 please. Yes! 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 Freddy objective completed. Yes! Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I just made it. There we go. We got a tick there. And we got Bonnie up next. Freddy, get wrecked. Oh my god. I can't believe I did it. That was awesome. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see me do Foxy, Chica, and try to attempt to complete Bonnie. Oh, he's twitching out there. You okay, Freddy? So you guys don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Also, well yeah, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the crew if you can, because I will be uploading Overwatch videos there. So yeah, this is BlizzardOfKnives signing out.